right, we are at the 78-mile mark. It's my wife and Jordan. Mike Turner also going to help her out. This is the river crossing.
That's totally fine. Just make sure you keep it above the water if you have electronics. Yeah. Good job. I'm gonna run and grab it.
Okay, now we're.
A lot of action.
So water's gonna be almost to your chest. So
There they are. You can see they got it all lit up.
it's easy to
It's
step
a lot of people here, and it's 3 in the morning. We were sleeping in the car for a little bit. She's working her way down. Zoom in a little bit. There she is.
Life jackets are optional. You're gonna want to
This
turn
is
your
Jordan
headlamp on
taking over the pacing from Mike.
It's almost up to the cap.
in places. Yeah, it's pretty easy to step into a hole and go like that. So I don't want to get. I just want to warn you. If you're careful, it might be only to here, but I don't want to promise that because we've seen lots of runners stumble on a rock.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Cool. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, she's grabbing the rope.
Hold that on. Yep, nice.
This is the middle fork of the American River. And there she goes. It's so crazy.
You probably want to put that around your neck.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I don't really want to find out that everybody.
22 miles to go. It's not the problem you want to have.
That's right. I didn't test it, so.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Headlamps on, please.
And she'll be going. You can see that's where the other tide is. We're going to pause this a second. All right, that's my wife. Oh, yeah, now you can see her. Orange vest, white, and Jordan's right behind her. She's getting close to getting to the end. There's still a ways to go, though.
Get my double dipsy trick again.
Here's my super close-up. It's not a bad picture. There's like 2 ropes separated. That's her right there, blue shorts. Yep, yeah, here we go. Jordan doing a great job. Plus, after 80 miles, your legs got to be dead. And she's out.
Jordan's gonna be freezing his ass off.
All right, she made it. Turn around and wave. Still tried to keep her balance. Woo! Off comes the necklace. And up the hill. All right, that's good.